Hello, good morning, people. It's another day in Genova. Today we have an appointment. I'm currently on the street where our apartment is located. It's really beautiful from here, and there's this view from up here that is magnificent. Magnificent. Let me show you that. From where? Where do you get it? Okay, where? We're trying to find the best view. Today, I have an appointment to get my Nigerian identity card, the NIN. If you don't know, it is possible to get your Nigerian identity card in Italy. There are different locations where you can get this done. The first place I tried to get this done was in Torino, but the person did not. Well, the person was not able to get it done for me, so now I'm in Genova. I booked an appointment with another agency. So I did this registration in Nigeria 10 years ago. I have my slip here and my tracking number. She said she would try to see if she can find the registration associated with that tracking number. She did. It was successful, and now she said I should come over to get my printout. So now I have to take my passport down there. How is this actually?
I hope to be a writer myself someday.
I am done with my appointment. It went on well. A very interesting person and a family. She was able to help me with my NIN. As of this point, I have my Nigerian identity card. As a result, we were able to see another part of Genova. We decided to stop here to have lunch.